Hi, so we're here backstage right after Nicole Miller's show. What did you think?
That it was amazing. It was very edgy and beautiful. I want all the coats. The coats were fantastic.
Right? And
Yeah.
obviously you're wearing Nicole Miller today.
Yes, I'm wearing Nicole Miller.
From the spring collection.
It is, yeah.
And the necklace is fabulous too.
It's all Nicole Miller, the whole thing. Well, the shoes are Christian Louboutin, but yeah.
What do you love about her collection or your clothes?
Well, I think her clothes are very easy to wear. They're very feminine. They're really fun. Most of the time, they're really colorful and nice. They're just very easy, to be honest. Yeah.
Is there anything else going on with you in your career, in your life you wanted to share? Obviously, Gossip Girl.
Absolutely nothing.
You're lying.
I go to work and I come home and I'm a mom. That's about
Oh, that sounds boring.
They let me out every once in a while.
Any Gossip Girl scoop?
I'll tell you, it's the truth.
Any inside scoop on the Gossip Girl?
You know, I can't. It's going to be a roller coaster this year. It's really wonderful what they've come up with. I mean, they keep surprising us, so it's really fun.
Please tell us you're going to stay together with Rufus.
I'm going to stay together with Rufus.
Thank you.
I don't know if that's true or not, but you said it. I didn't.
Thank you so much.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.